What is up? It's your boy Ang here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So today we got a pretty special video because it's gonna be one of the first mods that I do on the interior of my Tacoma. For anyone who just got a Tacoma or has a Tacoma, this is something you definitely need to do. Today's video is gonna be a how to install LED interior lights on your 2016 and present Tacoma, so any of the years. If you are interested in getting these lights for yourself, I'll have them linked down below. That way you can pick them up and you get the exact same ones and don't have to go on Amazon and not know which one to choose. You can just go in the description down below and they are already linked there. All right, so we're gonna start with the first part. So it's gonna be with the vanity light. The package that I bought comes in a little baggie and it has this little plastic tool that helps you get into the nooks and crannies and pop it open real quick and easy. Just the before and after. This is the before, and then my girlfriend's gonna show you the after. So we're gonna start with this side now, okay? So you're gonna wanna open it up. Unfortunately, the lights are on, it kind of bothers me. But you're gonna come down from here at this bottom angle. Quick disclaimer, if you break something, it's not my fault, okay? I'm doing my best to show you how. But I would go in here. You have to try to get it in first. Then you're gonna twist it, and there we go.
Nice.
Easy peasy.
Yeah,
I put something in right here in between this, right in between the clip, and kind of just wiggle it out, and it comes out fairly easy. It is just so you know which one it is, it's this one. It looks all right. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in between both and just slap it in there. Okay, so something that I just found out and I was like freaking out and so embarrassed. Quick little tip. So this thing looks like this. Now, do you know what the top is? Neither do I. So when you put it in, I just put this one in and it wasn't turning on. Just take it out, flip it around, and then it should be able to turn on and look nice and dandy. So let me just put the cover over it. And when you want to put the cover in, put this part in first. It's gonna grab onto the clip up there. Then all you have to do is apply some pressure here. Do not absolutely shatter it, please. All right, so now we're gonna do the other side. As you can tell, before, after looks a lot better in my opinion. You're gonna want to put it in as much as you can, and then you're gonna want to turn. So it goes in, down, in, down, turn. You do have to play with it a little bit. I'm right-handed, so that's why it's a little bit, I'm struggling a little bit. Oh, Jesus Christ. Try not to hit yourself in the head when you do it. You're gonna wanna put this in a little bit in there, and then just try to let that bad boy out of there. Now we're gonna shove this beautiful thing in there. And, boom. Okay, see, that's what I was talking about. It doesn't turn on, so don't feel embarrassed, don't feel awkward. You didn't do nothing wrong. You just swap it out, put it in like so. Now you're looking nice and snazzy. Boom. Welcome to 2030. Now this second one, now that we're done with the vanity light, it's really easy to take off, but when you're trying to put the lights on, it can be a little bit of a tricky task. So we're gonna take them out. You're gonna put the plastic thing in here. You can see the light already starting to give its space to come out, and just, there you go. So just hold it with your hand on one side, like right here, just hold it with your finger, and you're gonna wanna put the plastic thing in and just kind of give it that support and let it just pry down, yeah. So as you see, they're stuck in there, they're like wedged in there. You have to pull it out. So unless you have super small hands, my girlfriend does, and I don't think she can even take it out, you're gonna need to find another way around it. Find any type of tape. We're about to try it with this one. You're gonna wanna make a U. So just wrap it like this. Do a U like that with your fingers. Now we're gonna try to get that around the actual light bulb itself. Doesn't have to be too big. If it's too big, then it makes it harder for you to work around it, but I believe this should be good to go. So we're gonna try that on this side first.
You got it?
Yeah.
Nice.
So that came out fairly simple. So this is the original. This is the one you're putting in. So make sure you're aware. They look a little bit more high-tech than the other ones. For these, all you have to do is just put them in. It's fairly self-explanatory. You can see how they go in. All right, so I'm about to show you guys the before and after. I think it looks a lot better. Like I said, at nighttime, this is where it comes in like super clutch, because a lot of time you're trying to look down and then you turn on the light and it really didn't help at all. You want to try to get the tape to go around the light bulb and for the tape to meet and lock in on itself together, if that makes sense. So you want to make it go around the bulb, lock in, and then you're going to be in really good position. You can feel it grip it. If you have some better tape, it would be better. This is just painter's tape, so it doesn't have the most grip. You're gonna wanna just wrap it around there. Grab it on as much as you freaking can and pull that sucker out. So inside of there, it's literally a slot that fits this. So don't be worried. It is just a little slot that should be able to go. And hopefully with the lighting, you'll be able to see a little bit better. Here, I got it. I'll try to do that.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys can see it there. That slot, you just put it in there. It doesn't even make a noise when it goes in. So don't be worried. You'll feel it snug and you don't have to worry about it. So, yep, there you go. So we're gonna go on to the back now, and I'm gonna show you guys how this one works. I lost my plastic thingy. So I did this one off of camera. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. I probably should have showed you guys, but it's definitely a little bit tense and a little bit worrying because you feel like you're gonna break. So you're looking at it just like I'm looking at it, just on the other side. You're gonna wanna go in and then out like this. And there's two clips, one right here, one right here. You're gonna wanna go in, out, and then you should just be able to pull it out like that. So I feel like it's good to just get familiar with what you're working with. So that's what it looks like stock. Here, stock right out of the box of Toyota. I guess we can just hold down on one of these. It should fall out. Yeah, there you go. So, stock Toyota, Amazon. Toyota, Amazon. So you can see the difference in the type of bulbs that they're using. So fairly simple, easy thing to do. We're gonna want to put it in here. This is, oh god, it's a little hard, a little tricky. Oh god, I can't see. Alright, so you're in there like swimwear. Ow! It's bright and beautiful. You're gonna want to turn it off because I'm sure you can go semi-blind from just staring at it. So you're gonna want to pop it back into place one side. It doesn't matter which side you do. Just make sure everything is nice and snug. Good to go, no shaking and rattling. And there you go. Alrighty, man, so I hope you guys did enjoy that video. I feel like it's something that's super small, but it makes a big difference when you're inside the Tacoma, and it's the little things that count with these trucks. So again, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want to purchase these exact lights with that same tool, go down below. I have it linked in the description, and you guys can pick those up for yourself. I hope you guys did enjoy the install video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll help you out to the best of my ability. In reality, my girlfriend could have done it, I could have done it, anyone could have done it. Super easy, from hard to easy, super easy on the scale list. And it's something that's super cheap and it makes a big difference on your truck. So yeah, let me know what you guys think if you guys did install it, and we'll go from there. So it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single to Malo. Peace.